Srinagar MP English School. Okay, so from the education department, this for standard science and technology. And number two, we are going back mechanisms. Okay, so in this today, as you see on this property also processes. So today we are going to basically focus on the different life processes, which are the different body functions are happening in our body in each and every time. Okay, in everyday life in our body. Okay, different processes, different functions are coordinated with each other and they are performing simultaneously. So you can see on this screen also there are different life processes are there: transportation, respiration, excretion, reproduction, and metabolism. So first of all, we will see the introduction of these life processes. So you can see here, and you must have studied also in the smaller standard or lower standard in your primary school about this different life processes. So we will start from there. You have this knowledge, so we will do the revision for this. Okay, and then we'll go to the higher level. Now today we will see what are the different life processes. So here you can see nutrition. The boy is taking food, so by taking food he is getting the different types of nutrition. Then you can see respiration. You know, we take oxygen and we it goes into the lung. We take the air from, we breathe air. Okay, we take oxygen from our nose, it goes to the larynx, then it goes to the lungs. Okay, and from there, from the lungs the carbon dioxide is released back from the nose. Okay, so this is the process we you must have studied in the lower standard about the respiration, means taking the oxygen inside and removing or existing the carbon dioxide outside. So that is the respiration. Then excretion, you must have studied about the excretion. If you don't remember, we'll do the revision for this. What do you mean by excretion? Whatever food particles, whatever you eat. Okay, so you get the nutrients from the different food particles. You get different types of nutrients. We will see in the next slide which are the different nutrients we get. Okay, so excretion, so whatever food material we are eating, whatever food we are having, and we are getting the energy from that. So whatever waste particles, waste material is there from that food particle, it moves out from the excretory system. It is thrown out from our body. Then transportation, different food particles, different energy, oxygen, and different nutrients are supplied to each and every cell of our body. So that is done by the circulatory system, that is done by the heart. Okay, so that we will see in the next slide. That is called as a transportation. Transportation means transport, to move from one place to another. So the circulatory system, the heart is moving the different nutrients to different cells of our body. Each and every part of our body, it is moved to each and every part of our body. So that is by the transportation method. Okay, that is by circulatory system. Next, reproduction, you must be knowing the baby is getting birth from the mother. So that process is the reproduction, where the female and male gamete unite to form the a new baby, new generation. Okay, that process is called as a reproduction. Then sensitivity, you must be knowing this mimosa plant. If you touch me not, you must be heard about this touch me not plant. So if you touch this plant, it will shrink and then again get back to the original place. So this is called as the sensitivity, means it is having some sense, so it is showing some action response. Okay, next, growth. When we see sow the seed, so we get after some days, after few days we get a new sapling comes from the sprout will come from the seed. So that is a growth. In our also, we are very small, then we grow up by using energy. Okay, so that all processes are there, different life processes. We will see one by one the important life processes in our body. See here students, all living things take food made up of 6 main nutrients and water. Water, 70% of our body is made up of water. So water is very important part of our body for our nutrients also. For nutrients here you can see all living things take food made up of 6 main nutrients. So for living, to live, we required food. So what food we eat, whatever food we eat, we get different types of nutrients for the different types of food. Like you can see in the plate of this dish of he is having in his dish the roti, chapati or rice, vegetable and salads, okay, then dal. So all, and the fruits also you can see. So all this gives the different types of nutrients students. So here you can see what different types of 6 main different types of nutrients are there. This can come in your exam or somewhere it can be asked. So you should remember which are the different nutrients we get from our food. First of all, wherever we listen, we heard, we hear the carbohydrates, okay, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, fiber, minerals, vitamins. You must have studied in the lower standard also about this. So you should remember that whatever food we are taking to get energy, so we get different types of nutrients, that is carbohydrates, fats, proteins, fiber, minerals and vitamins. So these are very important and 6 main nutrients what we get from the food, and from by using all this we get energy. And by using this energy, where we use this energy, you must be knowing this, but I am revising it for you little bit, that whatever food we take, we get different types of nutrients. So that nutrients, that energy, that nutrients is used to get the energy. And when we get energy, we get different, we do different types of work, walking, talking, writing, eating, okay. So and for any sort of any kind of work we required energy. So what, whenever we eat food, we get different nutrients, and that nutrients are useful for our obtaining energy, for doing any kind of work, and for growth of our body, very important. Then to fight with the diseases if we are strong, na, now the coronavirus, the COVID-19 is going on. So what they are saying, take proper diet, take proper food, okay, and it should contain all the kinds of nutrients. So you can get the proper nutrients, you can fight with any kind of disease. So coronavirus, you should not fear that much, you have to take care, and you have to take a proper food on proper time, okay, and with that you have to do the exercise also, that is important, okay. So proper taking proper food, proper diet is very important to get energy, to get to grow up properly, and then to fight with the any kind of disease. So you have to take a proper food. Next, to carry out day to day functions. So to do any kind of work you required energy, so you have to take food. So your food should be balanced, you should take a proper food, so it can give a proper all kind of nutrients. Okay students, now see, to build a strong and healthy body we need a balanced diet. You should not be like this, कुछ भी खा लिया चलेगा. You should not say, you should not play with your body, you should take a proper food. So you have to take a balanced diet. Balanced diet is very important to take, so that you can get a proper nutrients, and if you get a proper nutrients, then only you can do properly any function, or you can fight with any kind of disease. You should be strong, okay. Wait, students. So you must be thinking sometime that whatever we are eating, how it is get digested. And those who have studied already in the science textbook in earlier standard, you must be knowing that how the digestion of food is taking place in our body by using different kinds of digestive juices. You can see here, you know, the digestive part, like we take food from the mouth, we chew it, and then it goes from the larynx, it goes from the trachea, then it trachea goes to stomach, okay, then small intestine, then is large intestine, okay. So by different digestive juices secreted by various parts of the alimentary canal and glands help in the digestion of food. So this question can be asked that how the food get digested, or how the digestion of food is done in our body. So what you will say, what you can say for that, digestive juices secreted by various parts of the alimentary canal and glands help in the digestion of food. Okay, you must have studied in the earlier standard that we take food from the mouth, then we chew it, okay, and for we have the salivary gland which secrete the saliva, and by mixing with the saliva the food uh, breakdowns, okay, it breaks down and then it goes to the alimentary canal, our trachea, then it goes to the digest this our stomach, okay, and then from different digestive juices it has get digested in our body. And different kinds of gland also they secrete digestive juices. So by using the digestive juices and different glands help in the digestion of food, okay. Now next you can see food and oxygen. These both are important, okay, like water is very important for our body with nutrients, so same way with the food we required oxygen also, okay, because by using oxygen only, the whatever food we are taking nutrients that is mixing with the oxygen, then only we can utilize it for our energy and for any kind of body function. So you can see the different types of functions are there: digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system. So food and oxygen both required for the energy production. So if you have to get energy, so with the food energy you have to have the oxygen, okay, so then only you can your body can produce energy. So food and oxygen both required for the energy production are transported by circulatory system to each cell of the body. So this food material and oxygen, they are mixing with each other and they are producing energy, and it is supplied to the each and every body of the cell by which system, you have to remember, by circulatory system. Circulatory means circulating, it is passing to all the cell of the body, each and every cell of the body. So that is the circulatory system. Next you can see the undigested food and other harmful and waste products are removed by the excretory system. I said before also that whatever you eat, you get different kinds of nutrients, you get the energy for different kinds of your body functions, okay, and whatever energy you get, okay, from the nutrients, from the food material, so from the food material whatever the extra waste part, harmful and waste products, they are removed by or thrown out from the body by the excretory system. So you should remember this, by which system, by excretory system the waste and harmful products are removed by the removed by the body. So that system is called as the excretory system. Next, muscular system helps in the movement and locomotion. Locomotion is from changing the place, to move from your one place to another place, that is called as the locomotion, okay. So muscular system, it is helping to move your hand, to move your leg, to move your fingers. So these muscles are helping in the movement and locomotion, to move from one place to another place. You are using the different muscles in our body, that is a muscular system. Now you must be knowing that some work you can do by your will, but some work you cannot do, like heartbeat, You cannot stop your heartbeat by yourself. Okay, but you can eat by yourself, you can walk by yourself, you can touch anything by yourself. Okay, so you can see and you can close your eyes, you can open your eyes. So some functions are there what you can do by your will. Okay, if you want you can do, that is by your will, but some function you cannot do by yourself, means it is doing automatically in our body, we cannot control it. Okay, taking breath, taking oxygen in and removing the carbon dioxide outside, digestion of food, respiration, circulation, excretion, this you cannot stop. Okay, so that some functions are by your will, some are not by your will. So voluntary muscles, so there are two types of muscles are there, voluntary muscles and involuntary muscles. So voluntary muscles perform the functions that depend upon our will, like moving your hand, moving your leg, walking from one place to another place, eating the food, opening and closing of your eyes. Okay, touching anything, doing anything, any kind of work. So these all functions what you can do by yourself, that is because of voluntary muscles. And the functions you cannot perform from your will, that is not dependent upon our will, that is done by the involuntary muscles. For example, heartbeat, heart is pumping, this is also one cardiac muscles, heart is the cardiac muscles. So different kinds of muscles are there. So involuntary muscles means which is not performing the function, that is not dependent upon our will, it is functioning automatically. Okay, that is involuntary, you cannot control it. Then digestion of food, digestion of food is happening in our body. Okay, so that is not depend upon our will, it is done by the involuntary muscles. Okay students, I hope you have understood this much. Next we will see how so many processes takes place simultaneously in our body with such a smooth coordination. So in your family also, if the all family members are together, okay, and they are working together properly, then the house will be happy, the family members will be happy. If they are coordinating each other properly, they are happy with each other. Okay, so same way the God, you should imagine how the God or Allah has created, the God has created our body, that all these functions, circulatory system, respiratory system, digestive system, okay, excretory system, different types of systems, different functions, they are happening in our body smoothly in coordination. Okay, simultaneously means in at a time our heart is pumping, we are breathing in, we are talking, then digestion is happening, excretory system is working, circulation is going on. So different kind, imagine different kind of, what a gift the God has given to us, that all different kinds of functions are happening smoothly in our body. If any one fails, our body functions other also get affected. So it is very important to function smoothly in coordination, different types of functions and body systems. You can see your different life processes go on simultaneously in the human body. As I said now, digestion, respiration, circulation, excretion. So different life processes are going on inside our body, harmoniously or simultaneously in the human body, smoothly in coordination. All life processes are controlled and coordinated by nervous control and chemical control. So this is very important, nervous control and chemical control. So all life processes, whatever life processes are there, digestion, respiration, circulation, excretion, so all functions are controlled and coordinated by the nervous control, nervous system. You know na, brain is the main part which is controlling, the nervous system is all controlling all the body parts, which is uh, sending the sensation. If we touch or somebody is touching ourselves or we are touching to ourselves, so we get to know. Okay, if somebody is touching to ourselves, okay, taking pinch or something, or something is happening in our body, it the just what we can say, the information goes from the nervous system, it is connected to the brain. So we come to know in fractions of second, we come to know that something is happening. Okay, so that is all controlled by the nervous control and chemical control. So here you can see nervous system, it is like a web, like network, you have an online network. So like that we have full network of nervous system in our body, which is controlling our body and which is giving the information to the brain. So we come to know that yes, this is happening in our body. So neurons are there, nervous system neurons are all connected, and that provides the signals, they give the information to our brain. Then endocrine system, the glands, hormones, endocrine systems are there which are based on the hormones. So hormones are controlling our chemical control, that is a hormone, they are controlling our body. So nervous system and endocrine system, like chemical control, this is done by all life processes are controlled by this nervous control and chemical control. Okay students, I will ask you some questions, then I will show you the video on the Top Scorer app. Okay, get ready for the answering. Okay students, first question is, and before saying answer, tell your name, school name, and then answer. Okay, raise your hand up, and then when we will allow, then first question is, name different life processes in living organisms. Yes students. Hello. Hello. Can you hear me? Ma'am, allow them to answer please. Hello. Okay, Shivani Verma. Answer please. Name different life processes in living organisms. Shivani Verma. Yes, Shivani.
Ma'am, living circulatory system,
Yes.
respiratory system,
Yes, respiratory system.
uh, excretory system,
Huh?
excretory system,
Excretory system. Okay.
and
What else? Anybody wants to answer? Okay, Shivani. Thank you. Sandhya Maurya.
मैम मैं संध्या फ्रॉम डीटीसी ये धारावी ट्रांसिट कैंप म्युनिसिपल इंग्लिश सेकेंडरी
Okay.
स्कूल एंड आई टेल द आंसर तो इसमें मैम कुछ 6 ये फंक्शंस है
Okay.
फर्स्ट
Tell me with the different function or different system in our
सर्कुलर
body.
सिस्टम
Circulatory
सर्कुलर
system.
सिस्टम
Circulatory system. Excretory system.
डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम
Shivani.
ये रिप्रोडक्शन सिस्टम
Reproductive system. Okay.
ये
What else?
रेस्पिरेटिव सिस्टम मस्कुलर
Respiratory
सिस्टम
muscular system. Okay.
ma'am, can I say
Okay. Okay. Yes, Shivani. What else you want to say?
control system?
Controlling.
Nervous system.
That is a
Yes,
nervous system. Yes. So
external, internal,
it's so
nervous system
amazing. You can
Endocrine.
imagine. It is so amazing to imagine that so many functions the God has given in our body, and it is all coordinating with each other, and then only our body function is going on smoothly. So in our day-to-day life also, we should be with each other in good coordination, then only we can work smoothly anywhere, in our office, in our school, in our home. Yes or no?
yes,
Yes, ma'am.
This is giving our to us the lesson that we should be each other nicely in coordination, then only it will go smoothly everything, everywhere. Yes, no?
Yes, miss.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next question I will show you. Next question is, name 6 main nutrients in food of living organisms. 6 main
Ma'am, can I?
nutrients.
Miss,
Ma'am,
can I say?
Ma'am, can I say?
Wait, wait,
Ma'am, can I say?
wait. Alaika, say.
Yes,
Alaika,
miss. Yes, miss. Carbohydrate,
name
fat,
carbohydrate, fat,
protein,
protein.
vitamin,
Huh?
minerals,
Yes. And one more.
nutrition.
Na Baba, nutrition we are talking about.
Fiber.
Fibers.
Fiber.
Yes, correct. Anjali ji, good student. Koshala. Okay. Next question we will ask. We'll see next question. Why we should take balanced diet, students? Why we should take balanced diet? Yes, who will say Sakshi? Sakshi Verma from Tilak Nagar. Yes, Sakshi.
Unmute.
Yes, Sakshi. Unmute yourself, beta. Sakshi Verma.
चाय से
Sakshi, you cannot unmute yourself. Okay, Mustafa say. Say, Mustafa, why the balanced diet is important? Why we should take balanced diet?
तो दो yes a balanced diet supply the nutrients your body needs to work effectively.
Yes,
Teacher,
balance. Say
a
again.
balanced diet supply the nutrients your body needs to work effectively.
Effectively. Okay, good. Next question is, how the food which we eat is digested in our body. How the food is digested in our body?
Healthy foods. Ma'am, मैं समझ नहीं आ रही क्या पूछा.
Hello, ma'am.
मैम मैं बोलूं
Miss.
मैम, क्या आप क्या क्वेश्चन एक बार रिपीट कर सकती हैं प्लीज?
Miss.
Hello, Shabana ma'am.
मैम मैं बोलूं
Ma'am is not there in meeting.
मैम,
Maybe.
हेलो.
Hello, Shabana ma'am. Is network issue? Wait, student.
ओके मैम.
Was asking that how the food get digested in our body. Yes,
मैम मैं
Khushi.
बोलूं
Khushi, unmute yourself, Khushi. Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, digestive juice contain different enzymes,
Hmm.
then get chemical reaction and makes pH of digestive tract.
Who else want to answer? Who is this
Style
Gurdhan
juice
Singh
make it
answer?
alkaline.
Sir, मैं
Gurdhan Singh,
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
say.
Ma'am, the digestive juice which secreted by various parts of alimentary canal and glands, and that's helpful to digest the food which we eat.
Okay, perfect. Very good. Next question. Next question is, wait, is not visible. I'll show you like this only. The undigested food, other harmful. The undigested food, other harmful and waste products are removed by the dash system. The undigested food.
Excretory system.
Excretory system.
Don't answer like this, beta. Who's
Excretory system,
answering?
ma'am.
Wait. Don't answer like this. Let the other also give chance. Who answering? Anjali answered already. Isha Thakur. She has not answered. Okay. Isha, unmute yourself. Isha. Isha Thakur. Where is she?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm Anjali Agrawal from Goshala Marg MPS.
Okay, Anjali, say.
Ma'am, excretory system
By excretory system, the harmful and waste products are removed from the body. Okay.
throughout the body.
Good. Okay, I'll show you the video now. Have you understood this chapter? This much, whatever
yes,
I have taught.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, I think this you have studied in your lower standard also, and this is basic thing. Next lecture tomorrow we will see the next part. Okay. Now enjoy the video to understand this topic. Mute yourself. Everybody mute yourself. Ma'am, mute everybody. Please. Hello, ma'am. Okay.
Chapter 2 Life Processes in Living Organisms, Part 1. Introduction. In previous standards, we have studied about some life processes in living organisms. Come, let us first recall what we have learned. We know that all living things take food made up of 6 main nutrients and water for a variety of purposes such as obtaining energy, growth of the body, to carry out day-to-day functions, and to fight diseases. To build a strong and healthy body, we need a balanced diet, that is, all nutrients in the right proportions and in sufficient quantities. How the food which we eat is digested in our body. Yes, digestive juices secreted by various parts of the alimentary canal and glands help in the digestion of food. The food digested by digestive system and Chapter 2. Life. First, recall what we have learned. Portions and in sufficient quantity. Yes. Digestive juices. The food digested by circulatory system. Three muscles perform the functions that depend upon our will, like working with hands, walking, eating, etc. And involuntary muscles perform the functions that are essential for life and are not dependent upon like breathing, circulation, and how do many place simultaneously in our body with such a smooth coordination. Processes such as respiration, circulation, excretion, etc. go on simultaneously in the human body. All processes and controlled and coordinated by nervous control, chemical control, by endocrine. Come, let us learn more about processes.
Okay, students, tomorrow we'll continue with the next part of this chapter. Okay, I hope you have understood clearly. Yes, students, I have unmuted yourself. I hope you have understood this
Teacher?
topic this much.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, teacher.
टीचर आप इवोल्यूशन पार्ट का जो स्लाइड था एक बार शो करोगे क्या? मुझे स्क्रीनशॉट लेना
All
है.
slides you want to show, see?
नो मैम, ओनली एवोल्यूशन पार्ट.
Which one?
इवोल्यूशन पार्ट.
Evaluation.
यस मैम, वो क्वेश्चंस का स्क्रीनशॉट लेना था.
You can take my number.
नंबर
Evaluation part, okay. I'll see if it is there. Evaluation. Evolution you are speaking about, no? First chapter.
यस मैम. यस मैम. मैम आपने जो ये आप जो पढ़ा रहे थे ना, तो आपने लास्ट में जो स्लाइड शो किया था ना इवोल्यूशन पार्ट का, जिसमें क्वेश्चंस थे, वो उसका मुझे स्क्रीनशॉट लेना है.
Okay. Means evaluation questions, no?
यस मैम.
Yes, yes, understood. I have to search for that. Wait. Wait, YouTube पे रिकॉर्डिंग में तुम्हारा आ जाएगा भाई कुछ Wait. Okay, I'll show from this.
EMP1 डॉट नेम दे दिया, फिर EMP डॉट इज दे दिया, तो वो भी चले जाएगा. बट इसमें नेम प्रिंट नहीं हो रहा है. हाँ, ये फर्स्ट प्रैक्टिकल है. मैं जस्ट कॉपी पेस्ट किया, रन किया, देखा हो रहा है. मार देगा तो
टीचर
अच्छा नेम इक्वल टू नेम है तो दिस डॉट नेम इक्वल टू नेम का तो हो जाएगा